My video guide is about getting rid of the adware called SimpleNavigation. This is the adware from the AdLoad family of computer infections. SimpleNavigation adware, once installed, starts to display the huge portion of pretty intrusive advertisements not related to the sites that you visit. SimpleNavigation adware may also cause unwanted browser redirections to random websites. This is the adware attacking Mac browsers, Safari, Google Chrome, Firefox, and others too. But mainly Safari is being attacked. SimpleNavigation adware, of course, needs to be deleted as soon as you find its presence. So check your applications on your computer. Find this SimpleNavigation, right-click on it and move it to the trash. Also, I recommend you to research your computer with Combo Cleaner antivirus. Get it on the page combocleaner.com, download the application, install it, and start researching the computer to detect and remove any other threats from your device. After you successfully download and install Combo Cleaner, this is the way it looks like. By the way, Combo Cleaner is available both for Mac and for Windows computers. Combo Cleaner is initially in the trial mode. So click on Start Combo Scan button. First of all, the program should update its anti-malware database for proper detection and removal of any malware. Even in the trial mode, there are certain free features. They are disk cleaner, big files, and duplicates. Even these three free features will help you to essentially improve the performance and the general speed of your computer. Combo Cleaner is powerful enough to detect and delete threats like adware, browser hijackers, ransomware, all sorts of unwanted pop-ups, browser redirections, online scam, and other threats. At the end of the scanning, you will see the full summary of all the threats which were found. You will be able to know their locations, but I recommend that you consider upgrading to Premium as the best solution to keep your computer free of any other threats.